What is up, guys? We got some new lenses in, more clarity. You guys can see me, right? Right, excited to use these. But first, I have a new video coming out for that as well to explain to you and to show you what these fucking new lenses do. You don't have to have $1 million for a whole fucking setup. Just look on Amazon, do your fucking homework, and go on with your life, you know? I have a new project that I'm working on, have another project that I'm gonna be selling and working on, and I know that I post one once a month. I do it all. I do all the filming, I do all the editing, all kinds of stuff. As you guys all know, I have an Instagram, I have a TikTok, and I have Clapper, all these other social media sites, so go ahead. And if you want to check me out on the rest of those, go ahead and check me out. It would help me a lot. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, helps a lot, helps me get motivated, helps me get going, all kinds of stuff. Also, share my stuff. I know that I don't have any of these expensive stuff like a CNC. I do everything manually. I know that we're in 2022. I'm not quite there yet. With your guys' help and me working my butt off, I'll get there. I just wanted to announce something. As you guys can see right here on my website, I do go with Rock Rooster Footwear. They have hiking boots and stuff, and I've been promoting it on my channels and whatnot. I know I haven't been really too active with all of my stuff lately, but I promise you guys, they have hiking boots, they have work boots, they have all kinds of stuff. I wear mine all the time. However, my feet aren't that big, so I don't wear them all at all. I promise you guys, you will not regret them. If you go on there, you purchase some, you put in my code, that as in GMC girl, I promise you will get 12% off your first purchase. And your feet a hell of a lot of favors. You will love your shoes, I guarantee you. They'll help you a lot. For me, these are the boots that I wear, but no way in hell will Ariat even sponsor me or affiliate with me. But these here are mine. This is what I wear on the daily. Alright guys, here's my intro. We're gonna get right into this fucking video. Bye. For today, I'm gonna be working on this here, getting it up out of the driveway here. Probably turning this here into like a little mini jewelry box or something. It's old, but it's not meant for any more tools. This angle iron is about 1.5 inches too short. I have to cut it right here. This is all fucking welded, but I have to cut all of it, and then I have to add 1.5 inches material on. What I have going on here is some just square tubing. It doesn't matter how thick. I'm working with at least 1/8. I'm just gonna I tend to leave out the markings till the very. Alright YouTube, so I am actually filming for TikTok as well. What I have right here is the other end for this end right here. I'm just gonna clean it. I already cut it off. Here. It's just Alright, now this is what I'm gonna be filling up. So here's our little piece, very thin shit. Alright, so the bigger piece is gonna be at the top. We're just gonna get that slightly tapped. And now I'm just gonna work on it a little bit. Here she is, ladies and gents. See how that is? I'm just gonna weld that real quick. Well, it is painted. I told myself I'd never do that again. Turn her over. I guess this is it, right? looking for like some new and good brands. The Diablo, well this one's all fucked up, but Diablo brand is the best, cheapest. It'll get you through whatever you need. It's awesome. What they display on TV, just saying it sometimes. This will be my third attempt to get this right. Tabling it is. I welded it on the sides, on the back, and on 3 times on the other side. And now I'm just gonna get it all prepped up for paint and get it back into the truck. Now we're good. You can't go wrong with it. It looks nice. So once it's dried up and it has like a nice clear coat on it, then that's when it'll be all right. So the more that you put on this stuff here, you leave it in the sun, the more rustic it gets. And the sun in the camera right here, it doesn't really show how light it is, but it is pretty fucking light. Ooh, I didn't even mean to do that. Doing this project here has not been easy. This here is my second time trying to repaint it the way that I want to. I think it's gonna come out to good this time, but I really wish that it wasn't in patches. I mean, that's basically her name. I wanted to paint the whole toolbox like a rustic color, but it didn't turn out to be that way. Because the paint that's on there has been on there and baked on there for years and years and years, and probably even decades. I don't know how old this thing is. I bought some black spray paint. And that's where these things come in, you guys. We're gonna hook it right back up. Alright, YouTube. So I have these huge washers. Okay. 3 little ones and Enoch. And put this together and put them up in here. Wherever Snow got them from. I'm gonna put all this shit right up in there and hope for the best. And straighten it out the best I can, even though I got a fucking bolt poke in my back. So you guys can only see the back of my head. This is what it's looking like right now. That's too close up, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna have to try to pack it in order. You know, they're small enough to fit in through here. And I have that positioned the wrong way. That's great. And now we're just gonna take a deep socket. So this is what it's looking like right now. The little thing right there. Yep, that worked. Gonna ratchet. Let's get the other one screwed in. actually will probably end up being the last segment of this video. Here's why she's called Patches. Because I customize random shit. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Hopefully you did. Subscribe if you're new, and like this video up, share with your friends, family, whatever. And you guys will see me in the next video, whenever the fuck that is. It's gonna be soon, probably at the end of this next week. So, I have some very cool stuff coming up. Share, like, and subscribe, please. I'm working my ass off. Hey guys, bye.